Tired of Instagram Euro's latest update and wishing you could go back to a simpler time? First, you'll need to find a reliable website that archives older versions of Android apps. A popular choice is APKPure or APKPure, but make sure the site you choose is reputable to avoid downloading malicious software. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for Instagram. Scroll down to see a list of older versions. Each version will usually be labeled with a date or version number. Look for the version you want to revert to. Older the better if you are trying to go back to the basics. Tap on the version you desire, which will take you to another page. Locate the download button and tap it. Before installing, your lines need to enable installation from unknown sources in your Android settings. Go to Settings, then Security, and toggle on Unknown Sources. Be careful to turn this off after you're done to maintain your device's security. Now, find the downloaded APK file, usually in your Downloads folder, and tap on it to begin the installation. You may get a prompt asking if you want to install an update. Tap Install. Please note that this process may not always work perfectly, and you might encounter issues. Once installed, open Instagram and log in with your usual credentials. You should now be using the older version. Enjoy the nostalgia.